is up, loves? It's Rose here, back with another video for you guys. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this sleek back ponytail. I actually used clip-ins for this style. And I already previously dyed the hair to blend in with my natural hair. And yeah, I'm using clip-ins because that's all your girl had. Yeah, I used clip-ins for this style. I'm going to show you guys how I did it. It's basically like the same as using regular tracks. It wasn't really nothing extra, but anyways, we're gonna get right into this video. Before we even get started, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Make sure the bell is clicked so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. Also, make sure that you guys are following me on my Instagram so you can stay up to date with me. That's where I post, of course, on my pictures, hairstyles. I answer questions. I post on my story all the time. So you guys can really stay up to date with me through my Instagram page. So let's just get right into this video. Okay, you guys, so I am starting off on freshly washed hair, as you can see, and I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Aunt Jackie's Curl La La, and this is just going to help to moisturize and define my curls. And I'm just going to brush that through with my Denman brush, get all the knots out, make sure it's prepped and ready to put in a slick back bun. Okay, you guys, so once you can easily glide your brush through your hair and it's all detangled and moisturized, I'm going in with my Eco Styler gel and just putting that all around my hair and laying it flat. And then I'm just going to go in with my brush and brush it down. Okay, so next, after it's in a ponytail, I'm basically putting it in one big two-strand twist, I guess you can call it. But yeah, I'm just twisting it all the way down to the very, very end. You want to make sure that it's as tight as possible. Don't give yourself a headache or nothing, but you know what I mean. Just make sure it's tight so that your bun underneath will be small and hidden. Okay, you guys, so now we can go ahead and add our weave in. I'm using clip-ins from Better Length. If you haven't seen my video of me installing these, definitely be sure to check them out. If you have seen the video of me installing this hair, then you already know that I already previously dyed this weave to match with my hair. But yeah, so I actually like to leave the hair a little bit fuzzy, and I'm not going through and detangling it because it just gives more of a realistic look. It looks more natural. So I'm clipping it as close to my bun as possible and wrapping it around and clipping it again. I start off with the shorter ones, which was 2, and then it goes to 3, and so on and so on. So I like to start underneath because that's basically where it's mostly hidden. And then I skip the middle clips because there's really no point in clipping those. I just wrap it around really tight, and then I secure it with the last clip. Alright you guys, so that completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for your continuous love and support. I'll see you in my next video, loves. Bye.